Taylor, don't give it to me. Actually, more than.
Marami pumasok sa inyo?
Only 9 people. Only 11. Only 9.
Ilan ang absent?
A lot. There are 22 kids and there's 9 people. We only had 11 kids plus me.
Kayo, Miggy, ilan pumasok?
9.
Saan yung mga classmate nyo?
They went.
Saan?
They went like to
Mommy, Papa.
Umalis na sila dito?
Papa, did Costello leave?
Ewan ko.
Because he wasn't at school. But look at my birthday card. They gave me money.
Very good, very good. Sino nagbigay? Sino nagbigay niyan?
Renee, and this one is a papa.